Abaco Vacuum Lifter is a great choice for lifting and moving large-sized glass sheets, with workload limit up to 1,320 pounds 600 kg. Press and hold down button to tilt the lifter 90 degrees so that the vacuum pad is in the same direction as the glass sheet. Move the lifter close to the glass sheet for vacuuming on the sheet surface. After that, simply hold and press the up button to lift the sheet easily. Easy to adjust the vacuum pad positions to suit different sheet dimensions. The leg frame supports the lifter when adjusting the vacuum pad positions and protects vacuum pads from damage when not in use. Hold and press the up button to tilt the vacuum pads from 0 degree to 90 degree and vice versa. Pull the slide valve to the release position to release and move the equipment out of the sheet. Abaco Vacuum Lifter comes with up to 8 vacuum pads with wide-length lever arms to handle large sheets effectively.
In addition, we guarantee to provide high-quality products with 1-year warranty, outstanding customer service by AUS standards, and various channel networks.